Hello guys, this is Defi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. So guys, I just have a question here that I was asked today by one of my members in my team. So he asked me if DSP is dead. So I just kept quiet and first waited to respond to him. Then I got an idea of shooting this video. So my thought, DeFi staking platform is not dead. It is still paying out, and its contract has got money in it over 1 million US dollars. That is equivalent to 39 million TRX. So it is still going on and it is paying, while its clone here, this is GXY. I also joined some GXY and I bought few tokens. So GXY, it has got 20 million TRX in it. It's only 4 days old, and DSP is 25 days. It's 24 days old, so as you can see here. So DSP is not dead. People are still buying from the auction lobby. And for those members who still believe in the platform, you should go buy some tokens from the auction lobby. Use the auction and don't use Just Swap, because Just Swap, there is a way it is as if you're cheating the system. So the auction has just started. Only we have 22 hours to go, and so far people have bought Tron worth 27,000 from the auction lobby. So while it's clone here, let me go to the auction and show you. People have bought Tron worth 47,000 worth of tokens. So there is a difference of just 20,000. And I don't know why people have, day one they came in, it was massive. Day two, it reduced more than a half. Day one, day three, 1.6 million. So today I don't know where it will end. And we saw some in DSP here. There was some consistency here. So I don't know why people have feared DXY, because you can't jump from 19 million up to 7 million, from 7 million to 1.6 million, because here we saw in DSP it was just increasing here, as you can see, 4 million, 4.02, 5.8, 9.7, 14.3, 15, 17. Then here it started decreasing, but the decrease was gradual. It wasn't sharp like this one. This one is so sharp, this one is gradual. So yesterday's auction ended at 301,000 TRX. So I don't know where it will end today. And I have a stake to collect here. Let me collect it. So all in all, DSP is not dead. For those of you who still have faith in the system, you can use the auction lobby to buy some tokens and do make some stakes. I'm having very many active stakes, as you can see here, because I still do believe in the system. All these stakes, I'm having them. So let me collect this 200 TRX, and I also make another stake. So I've collected that, and I was making these stakes in such a way that every day I was gonna be able to make a collection. So on day 25, let me check here. the 25 here. I'll also be having a collection to make. The 26 we have also here. I'll also be having a collection to make. So like that. So now I'm staking for 15 days. So if I'm to go to the balance here, refresh. I'm staking for 15 days or 10 days. That's how I've been doing it. So this 3967 for 10 days. It will end on day 35. So that's it. 3,967 DSP. I've put it for 10 days. So guys, DSP is not dead. Use the auction lobby to buy tokens and make some stakes. So the longer stakes that you make, the more the shares that you will get. And don't do suicide stakes of 5,000 TRX or 5,000 days. That is cheating the system. Don't do it, guys. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, and I'm also going to leave my links in the description of this video, both for DeFi staking platform and also DX staking platform. Because I want us to watch all of them, and also it is good to not put your eggs in one basket. You diversify. That's it. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.